What if I told you that you could start earning money online right now with zero upfront investment using just your smartphone? And I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about affiliate marketing, a legitimate business model that's helping thousands of Kenyans build passive income streams every single month. Here's the thing. While 22.5 million Kenyans are online right now, affiliate marketing remains largely untapped in our country. That's a massive opportunity. With mobile penetration at 145.3% and more people shopping online than ever before, there's never been a better time to jump into affiliate marketing. So whether you're a university student looking for extra income, a working professional wanting to diversify your earnings, or someone ready to build a full-time online business, this video will show you exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing in Kenya, even if you have zero experience. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this actually work in Kenya? Let me share something with you. Last month, I connected with a friend who started promoting web hosting services through affiliate links on her WhatsApp status and Facebook. Within 30 days, she earned her first KES 5,000 commission just by recommending services she already used to her network. And she's not unique. The global affiliate marketing industry hit $20 billion in 2025, growing at 8 to 10% annually. Right here in Kenya, platforms like Truehost are paying affiliates 1% to 25% commissions, while international programs offer up to 30% for beginners. The opportunity is real, and it's happening right now. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how to choose your first profitable niche without any guesswork, the exact platforms where Kenyan affiliates are making money today, a simple step-by-step process to get your first affiliate link live, how to promote products authentically without being pushy or salesy. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend products or services you believe in, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Think of it as being a digital salesperson, but you only get paid when you actually make a sale. The beauty is that companies want this. They're happy to pay you because you're bringing them customers they wouldn't have reached otherwise. It's a win-win-win. The company gets customers, the buyer gets a product they need, and you get paid. Now let me show you how to get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Your niche is simply the topic or industry you'll focus on. Here's the secret most beginners miss. Start with what you already know and use. Are you into tech? Perfect. Promote smartphones, laptops, or software. Love fashion? Focus on clothing and accessories. Into fitness, health supplements and workout gear could be your goldmine. Here's a practical example. Let's say you're passionate about photography. You could promote cameras through Jumia's affiliate program, earning 10% commissions, or partner with international brands for higher rates. The key is authenticity. Promote what you genuinely understand and use. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Now, where do you actually find these programs? In Kenya, you have several solid options. Local platforms. Jumia Affiliate Program, Kenya's largest e-commerce platform, pays via M-Pesa monthly, currently unavailable by the way. Kilimall, 2 to 8% commissions depending on category. Truehost Kenya, 25% commission on web hosting services. And here are some international programs. Amazon Associates, global reach, millions of products. Shopify, up to $150 per referral for business tools. Web hosting companies often pay $50 to $100 plus per sign-up pro tip. Start with one platform, master it, then expand. Don't try to join 10 programs on day one. Step 3. Create content that converts. Here's where most beginners get stuck. They think they need a fancy website or thousands of followers. Wrong. You can start with what you have right now. Here are some free content options. WhatsApp status updates, Facebook posts in relevant groups, Instagram stories and posts, TikTok videos, YouTube videos like this one. That said, let me walk you through a beginner-friendly example. Imagine you want to promote a 15,000 shilling smartphone from Jumia. Instead of posting, buy this phone, link in bio, try this approach. Just upgraded my phone and the camera quality is insane. The battery lasts all day, even with heavy usage. If you're looking for a reliable phone under 20K, this might be perfect. Link in comments if you want to check it out. See the difference? You're sharing genuine experience, not just selling. Step 4. Building trust and scaling. The fastest way to kill your affiliate marketing efforts, being pushy or promoting everything under the sun. Instead, focus on building trust. Only promote products you've used or thoroughly researched. Be honest about pros and cons. If something doesn't work well, say so. Your audience will trust you more for it. As you grow, track what's working. If tech reviews get more engagement than fashion posts, double down on tech. If your WhatsApp promotions convert better than Instagram, focus there. Remember, some Kenyan affiliates are earning $5 to $100 plus per referral. With Kenya's internet users projected to reach 39 million by 2028, the market is only getting bigger. Here's the bottom line. Affiliate marketing in Kenya isn't just possible, it's thriving. You don't need money to start, you don't need a degree in marketing, and you don't need to wait for the perfect moment. You need 3 things. Pick a niche you understand, find products worth recommending, and start creating helpful content today. The internet users are there, the platforms are paying, and the opportunity is real. Your next step? Choose one affiliate program from today's list and sign up before this weekend's. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If this opened your eyes to affiliate marketing possibilities in Kenya, smash that like button. Drop a comment telling me which niche you're most excited to explore, and subscribe for more ways to build income online right here from Kenya. See you in the next one.